Basically, the camera is the worst thing for me.
I've been using it for almost 3 years.
The selfie camera is not so good.
And in the beginning I was happy with the performance, but now it's really slow.
Even more during the night, it's very difficult to take a good picture.
So I took take pictures with my smartphone.
When I open applications, it takes time to open them.
Because sometimes I can see pixels, especially if I take picture during the evening or where the light is not so good.
If it's low light and not enough light, or it's dark, the pictures are really bad. And
Probably price,
The camera.
Better cameras,
the user interface.
the performance.
better camera for sure.
I really would like to find the best solution that can combine a good price, but at the same time a good battery and a good camera.
If you could combine like DSLR quality of pictures and put it into a smartphone, that will be a buy for me. So I would pay a lot of money to get this kind of a smartphone.
Wow.
Whoa!
Wow.
Looks really good.
Can I keep it?